I am very honored to welcome you to the first NSS seminar, and I'm very grateful for the support provided by Mr. Gabriel Games of the United Nations Statistical Division, and for having Mr. Games in Aruba this week as part of his mission in assisting Aruba in implementing the NSS. It is great to see a plan written on paper gradually becoming a reality. As many of you know, the need for establishing an NSS has become throughout the years ever more pressing. Recommendations from different national and international assessments conducted, including the country package, have emphasized the need for strengthening of use of reliable statistical information in policy and decision-making, and the need of reliable data in monitoring and advancing sustainable development. The NSS is a complex and costly project for Aruba, and I'm proud to say that the government has allocated 5.9 million Aruban guilders with the approval of Parliament for the NSS, as we believe it is an important tool for all of us as data users. As you all know, the NSS is one of the key mechanisms we need to modernize our foundation of our economy and secure a sustainable future of our country and generations to come. In today's fast-paced world, data and information play a crucial role in decision-making, in planning, and policy-making. And yet, all too often, we rely on incomplete and unreliable data that fails to give us a complete picture of the challenges we face. The NSS will change that by providing us with accurate, reliable, and timely data that we can use to make informed decisions and chart a path towards a better future. What makes the NSS so unique is its impartial and unbiased nature. The NSS is professionally independent and not influenced by political considerations or special interests. Instead, it provides us with an objective and comprehensive view of our social, economic, and environmental indicators that we can trust. With the establishment of a modern NSS, we will have the data we need to track our progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions that benefit us all as our citizens. Whether we are in the public sector, the private sector, or non-profit organizations, we will have access to data, to the official statistics we need to make better decisions and to create a better future for our country. So today, I am very proud to stand before you to pledge my commitment to building a stronger Aruba, founded on the impartial and unbiased data provided by our national statistical system. And with this foundation in place, we can work together to create a better and more prosperous future for Aruba. Thank you.